Hello ulit to everyone. Ang topic natin today is how we can resize pictures without affecting the aspect ratio of the picture. Let's say we have these two pictures here and I want them to be on the same size, such as this. These pictures are both 3 centimeters wide and 3 centimeters in height. I would like them to be identical in size. Let's take this one first, the banana bread. The actual size of the banana bread width of 9.39 centimeters and height of 7.37 centimeters. If I divide those two numbers, I get a number 1.27. So to understand better what is the aspect ratio is, if we're talking about the landscape, it means that the width has a bigger number than its height. So it's wider and compared to a portrait is longer because the height has a greater value than the width. So since this is a landscape, these are the different aspect ratio for the landscape. There's 3 to 2, 4 to 3, 5 to 3, and 5 to 4, 16 to 9, and 16 to 10. So if we divide those two numbers, we get this. So 1.27 is closer to 1.25. So it means it has an aspect ratio of 5:4. So if we would like to resize this picture to 3 centimeters by 3 centimeters, we just have to select the picture, go to picture format, go to crop, and then select the aspect ratio of your choice. Since I would like it to be 3 centimeters in width and 3 centimeters in height, then I would like it to have an aspect ratio of 1:1. That's your perfect square. So I'll choose that one, and then I'll change this number to the size that I would like. So that's 3. Then it automatically changed to 3. So I just click out and then I get this picture resized to my preferred size. If you're going to change the aspect ratio by right clicking and going to size and properties, the aspect ratio is stick as lock, which means you cannot just change the numbers. Let's say if you want to change it to 3, the width would automatically change because the lock aspect ratio is enabled. So you'll just undo it. And also if you want to resize it, you can just drag this corner down or up, depending on the size that you want. If you really want to have a specific number for the size of your pictures, then it's much better for you to go here to picture and then change it from here. If you're going to use drag it from this size, the picture will get distorted. So still the best way is you go to the picture format, go to crop, select the aspect ratio that you want, and then change the height and the width number to the numbers that you desired. And then you just press enter or you just click. So that's the size 3 by 3 with aspect ratio of 1:1. Thanks for watching.